We host Dotun Oloyede in this session. Dotun is a visionary business leader and the founder and CEO of ROLAD Properties and Allied Services Limited, a company dedicated to providing affordable real estate solutions across Nigeria and beyond. Since its inception in 2018, ROLAD Properties has rapidly expanded under Dotun's leadership, delivering top-tier housing solutions to over 3,000 customers and amassing a multi-million-dollar asset base. Dotun's expertise in business development, coupled with his impeccable negotiation skills, has made him one of Nigeria's most successful real estate CEOs. Dotun is currently overseeing the development of cutting-edge smart home apartments in Lagos and a 150-unit bungalow project in Ogun State. His academic credentials include a master's degree in business administration from the Business School Netherlands and a master's in construction management from the University of Cape Town. He is also an alumnus of Lagos Business School and the University of Oxford's International Real Estate Program. Dotun's leadership has been recognized with numerous accolades, including the Achievers Award for Outstanding Real Estate CEO of the Year, 2019, and being named a top under 40 CEO by the Summit, 2021. With a standing ovation, please welcome Dotun Oloyede to the 𝗗𝗂𝘂𝗀𝗃 Executive Leadership Bootcamp.